good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, and Happy New Year's. We got a package in the mail yesterday from Dan Baisley and some new 3D printed things. Some of them we've already seen, and in this case, we all know that what the step-up pegs look like. Dan's been making them for a while. This is some new material and some newer layering, so they look very nice. So those came in, a new addition. So for your yoke emblems, we have the Grumman-Americans. For you tigers, we have the tiger emblems. And then finally, for you cheetahs, we have the cheetah emblems. So these are all new by Dan Baisley, and he's going to be making the 3D print files available, and we'll have them on the GPA site, as well as on ThinkVerse. You'll have multiple ways to get at these files, so you can make these parts up. But the really nice, fun addition to the whole mix was sending Dan a couple of new ones. Dan is now making, let me get them out right. Recognize these? These are canopy buttons. These are the ones that make the little to-doom to-doom. So I'm going to take these out to the airport and test them in the test rig with some washers and a slide. And we'll run them and we'll measure them, and if they're not enough, Dan can add 1,000s to them or whatever we need. So these are the latest. So I'd like to thank Dan Baisley for all his 3D print support. I'd like to thank all of you others who helped, like Houston Firefox. Thank you all for doing that down there. We appreciate that. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you had a nice and enjoyable New Year's. We're going to throw a photo on the front of this. Luann and I celebrated last night, so we hope you found all this useful and informative. The suggestion has been made that next year at the summer gathering that we have a 3D print seminar. We will, as well as a restoration seminar. So again, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Happy New Year.
John, right now, you're the one who seems unfit. Listen to me. This ends here. If Jerome Wiesman got wind of this, the whole agency would go ass over tea kettle. And who knows what would be left after all the shit got cleared away. All right, stop.